Ekaaro, ojumo, good morning. Iba Olodumare, glory be to the Most High. Today is July 20, 2020, and today is Ogun, Osoosi, Orisa Oko Ija Worship Day. And as always, we have to be so grateful for waking up in the morning, seeing a glorious new day. Hold your ori with both hands and say thank you, Olodumare, for everything. Because remember, gratitude is the attitude that gives that altitude to success. So, with that being said, let's administer prayer. Let's administer prayer for the downtrodden. The one with the mindset that they've tried everything. There's nothing left to try. There's nothing left to do. Only to sit and cry. Today, I pray for you to give you strength that tears are not the solution. Tears are not streams of gold or runs of currency. Tears are signals of woe, depression, and sadness. They are tears of joy, but those are not the ones that you're crying. Today, I wish to eradicate all tears of sorrow. Shake them off. Sometimes you gotta shake it off and become who you want to be. But you have to start it with mind. You can't sit down and feel that there is no place else to go. Because when you're at your lowest, when you're at the bottom, the only place left is to go up. You can't go lower than the ground. And God forbid you will never go in the ground. Not this year or not anytime soon. Not untimely. So, knowing that the only place left to go is up, this is where we will change your mindset with prayer, with work, with belief, with faith. Remember, faith without work is frivolous. So get up and do something and change who you are from view. Change who you are with self-love, and everything will be okay. So with that being said, I pray that no more tears, only smiles and joy and teeth. Remember, love has to start within. Ashe, ireo.